Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer money from Coinbase to LSSC. Complete step-by-step guide. You can do this on either your mobile or PC. Now the first thing I want you to do is just go to their website and come here on the top left. Click on these three horizontal lines. From here select recharge. And you can choose all of these crypto options. So this one is USDT, Polygon, this one is the network. The same way right here, this is USDT, TRC20, that is the network. So you choose the one that is applicable to you. In this case, I'll just choose Bitcoin. And then you need to enter the amount of Bitcoin. So let's change this to increase it to 5. Click on confirm. And now it'll give you this QR code you can go ahead and scan. It has a timer of 2 hours. The deposit amount, and as you can see right here, this is the wallet address. Okay, now I want you to copy this wallet address and then go over it to Coinbase, and on your home page, come here, click on send. Just select the asset you would like to send. In this case, I'll choose Bitcoin, and then you just paste in the address, enter the amount right here. So the address we copied, you paste it in here, enter the amount, and you proceed with the transfer. So this is the address I was talking about. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.